Welcome to Brain Vision.
The phase difference is given by delta over 2 pi is equal to the path distance d sine theta over lambda, where what we've been given is the path length difference. So d sine theta together is equal to 1.25 times the wavelength. Well, then the phase difference is 2 pi times 1.25 lambda over lambda, which is just 2.5 pi. And it's simplest to leave the phase difference in units of pi, because typically we're counting that in radians anyway. The intensity of the light at this point will be I naught times the cosine squared of our phase difference over 2, or I naught times the cosine squared of 5/4 pi, which is just 1/2 I naught. And we're told to leave our answer in terms of I naught.